Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about Spring Framework primary annotation. Explain primary annotation. What is the use of primary annotation? When we are using component scan, then all the beans are loaded by Spring container with no specific order. If you want to load any bean on first priority, then we need to annotate that bean with primary annotation. The bean annotated with primary will be loaded first, and then the other beans will be loaded. If you are not using component scan, primary annotation will not work. See, the basic idea is, if you mark any bean as primary annotation with primary annotation, more preference will be given to that bean. More priority will be given to that bean. I've written a very simple example here. I have a interface iMessage, and there are two implementations. One is hello world message and the other one is Spring message. And out of these two service bean, one I have marked as primary. Hello world message has been marked as primary. That means I'm telling that to Spring container, give more preference to hello world message. Okay, the priority will be given to hello world message. Here it's lazy on demand, load this bean. Okay, now in the display bean, I'm trying to auto wire iMessage interface. I'm not using any qualifier. Since I have marked hello world message as primary, this implementation, this object will be injected here. Okay, and when I call this message get message, I'm going to call this method. Okay, the idea here is whichever implementation which is marked as primary, those beans will be injected here. Okay, so there are two implementations, but hello world message implementation has given more preference because it has been marked as primary. Let me run this program so that you can understand. I'm going to debug this now. You will understand which bean has been injected in the iMessage. So annotation config application context is going to be created now, loaded, and all the beans will be initialized. If you see here, I am not using any qualifier. Okay, for this iMessage interface there are two implementations, hello world message and Spring message, but hello world message has been given more preference because it is marked as primary. So if you see here, hello world message. Okay, hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.